Hello, beaders. Welcome to Beachside Bead Boutique. My name is Jerry. Today, I am super excited because I have two orders, so a super-sized order from Bead Box Bargains, and we are going to open this up and see what's in here. Now, this one I received probably about 2 weeks ago, and then this one I just received, and this does include the Desert Bloom bundle along with some other items as well. So stick around, you won't want to miss this. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the first one that I received a couple weeks ago. And ooh, I'm so excited, as always. So there's all kinds of goodies in here. Because I am a Bargain Bead Box monthly subscriber, I did save $23.21 by using the 30% off coupon code that they provide in every month's box. But, you know, and that's a really good deal. Because I know I have some check glass in here. I have gemstones. And, you know, a lot of different beautiful things. Oh my gosh, I love it already. Okay, let me go ahead and get this organized and we'll be right back. Okay, Beater, so we will start first by showing you the free gift that I received from Bead Box Bargains. Now, every time you order something from Bead Box Bargains, they always send you a free gift. So this time I got some daisy spacers. They're very nice and thick, and it's a lot of them. So a free gift, it is always very much appreciated. So thank you guys for that free gift, Bead Box Bargains. I always love it and always look forward to that. Okay, so first we have 5 pieces, 10 millimeter check pressed glass 5-petal flower beads. And this is a 97-cent value. So really pretty flower beads. I mean, look at how pretty pink that is with a beautiful shimmer. And it is the same on both sides. Nice and cute, very pretty. Really like these. And this is the item number for that first one. Next we have 8 pieces, 10 millimeter check pressed glass Hawaiian flower beads, turquoise with ionic brown crackle. And this is $2.49. Really cute. So we got the turquoise flower, we got the pink flower, and that looks really pretty together. I mean, you guys know I love bright, bold colors. But this is very pretty, and it is the same on both sides. So it has a brown crackle, so it almost gives it a vintage vibe. Very pretty. And this is the item number. Next we have 8 pieces, 10 millimeter check pressed glass Hawaiian flower in crystal with marbled peach and AB. So very pretty peach, and it's AB, so of course it does have that shimmer. See, I see some pink shimmer in there with yellow. Very pretty color. Love these little glass Hawaiian flowers. I mean, this is looking like a whole flower garden now. Very nice. And this is the item number. Next we have 2 pieces, 13 by 11 millimeter check pressed glass bellflowers, orange opal with pebbled blue. That sounds nice. Oh, and indeed, they are nice. Very pretty. We have a brownish flower. It says orange opal. Looks more brown, but look at that very pretty blue. That is so pretty. I really love that color variation in there. Very cute little bell flowers. And this is the item number. Oh, and that is $1.29 value, those flowers. Oh, and here's 2 more. So it's 2 more of the same. Yes. Check pressed glass bellflower, orange opal. Yes. So this is this. And see, this looks more orange than this one. See, this looks more brown, but they are the same. No, they're different item numbers though. So this is orange opal with pebbled blue and orange opal with, and they're both $1. I don't know, maybe they're just a different manufacturers. But yeah, so this was the first one that has more of a brown tone. And then this one is more of a peachy orange. But I love the purple in there. Very pretty. And this is the item number for that one. It's 7604. It's hard to see it. Okay, next. And you guys are going to think this is funny. This is the same thing. It's called 2 pieces, 13 by 11, check pressed glass bellflower bead, orange opal with pebbled rose. Okay. So yes, this one is different. So it's the orange, and see, it does have a light pink hue to it. Very pretty. Okay, so the other one was pebbled blue. Okay, this one was the big bellflower classic yellow swirl with Picasso and violet wash. And then this one is pebbled blue. And this one is orange with pebbled rose. Okay, I see what I did. I just kind of put 2 of the same. Okay. And there is the difference between them. And we do have one more of these. And this next one is clearly different. And this is the item number for this one with the pebbled rose. 7605. And this one is 2 pieces, 13 by 11 millimeter, check pressed glass bellflower, orange opal with pebbled orchid. See, this one is orange and it has a pinky purple hue to it. Very pretty. I love all these little bellflowers. And this is the item number for that. Okay, and that's it for the check glass, and now we're going to move on to gemstones. First, we have approximate 6-inch strand, 5 by 6 millimeter dyed quartz, faceted Q beads teal blue, and this is a $4.99 value. Very pretty, very sparkly because it's faceted. I love the color. I mean, that is gorgeous. And this is the item number. Next, we have approximate 6-inch strand, 5 by 6 millimeter dyed quartz faceted cube beads, aquamarine. And this is a $4.99 value. Ooh, very pretty. I love aquamarine. It is so gorgeous. I mean, look at all the different color variations. I mean, of course, this is a natural gemstone. Very pretty. These two together are very gorgeous because this one is a little bit deeper and we have some jade color tones in here. And then this one with the aquamarine, of course, we have the beautiful aqua with some very light shades of the aqua. Very pretty, very sparkly. Next, we have approximate 6-inch strand, 5 by 6 millimeter dyed quartz faceted cube beads in magenta. And look at how beautiful this color is, right? I mean, that is so pretty. I do love my pinks. So gorgeous. This is a beautiful magenta, beautiful faucet. That is so pretty. I mean, in the camera, it doesn't look as pretty as it does in person, but it is simply gorgeous. I mean, you know, I always have to play around with stuff here. That is so pretty. I mean, that's definitely, you know, a beautiful summer vibe right there with all these beautiful bright colors. You know, throw in a flower. We have a whole garden. So pretty. And this is the item number for that, the magenta, and it is a $4.99 value. Next we have approximate 6-inch strand, 5 by 6 millimeter dyed quartz faceted Q beads in lavender. So we have a whole rainbow going on here, but oh wow, I mean, that is so pretty. That is gorgeous. Love the shades of purple. I mean, I just love this purple, and I love purple and pink anyway. This is so pretty. I mean, because we do have a little bit of a color variation, some very light, and then some with a deeper lavender, but it is so gorgeous. And again, it looks beautiful with this. We have a whole rainbow of beads going on here. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is the item number for that. And again, $4.99. Okay, and this next one, and I really love this one. This is approximate 7.5-inch strand, approximate 10 by 7 millimeter chrysoprase gently faceted cylinder beads, and this is $8.39. So pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, look at the beautiful mint. I mean, it's mint chocolate, right? It looks like mint chocolate chip. It is so beautiful. We have swirls of the green. Beautiful. Look at this one. That is so pretty with the brown. And then this one has a white creamy swirl. So yes, it looks like a bowl of mint chocolate ice cream. And that is just gorgeous. And of course, they are separated with some spacer beads to prevent breaking. I really love that. And this one does have a little bit, but that's, I'm sure, a natural. Very nice though. This is so pretty. This is how long the strand is. Gorgeous. And this is the item number. Next, we have approximate 7.5 inch strand, 8 by 5 millimeter flower amazonite faceted lantern rondelle beads. And this is a $9.99 value. So pretty. I mean, I love amazonite. That is gorgeous. I love all the beautiful natural colors in here. Amazonite is one of my favorite gemstones. It is so pretty with all the beautiful colors. Next, we have approximate 15.5 inch strand, 7 to 12 millimeter green aventurine tumble nuggets, and this is a $3.99 value. Very pretty. I know you guys have heard me say I love tumbled nugget beads because I love the shape of them. Very pretty. I love all the color variations. And this is a nice size strand. Very pretty. I mean, look at all the different green variations. And super long. This is a $3.99 value. Next, we have approximate 15-inch strand, 8 millimeter pale lavender quartz dyed and heated round beads, and this is $4.59. Very pretty, very light purple. So pretty though. I mean, it does have a little bit of color variation to it, and a very nice long strand. And this is the last of the gemstones. Next we have approximate 7.5 inch strand, 10 millimeter rose quartz cylinder beads, $5.99 value. I love these. These are so pretty. Very light pink. This is a gorgeous strand of beads. Next we have a lampwork bead, and this is approximate 40 by 41 by 12 millimeter lampwork glass flecked oval focal bead, azure skies, and this is a $2.29 value. And that is super pretty. It's a nice size. Love the color and the speckles in there. It's a very cute bead. Very nice. And now we have some pendants. We have one piece, approximate 40 by 10 millimeter apatite teardrop pendant, and this is $5.29. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, is that pretty? I love all the brown details in there. And of course, this is a natural gemstone. That is so pretty. Gorgeous. And next we have a one piece 33 by 16 millimeter flower Amazonite brass edge teardrop pendant, gold, $2.79. And that is nice. It's not as pretty as I would hoped, honestly. I mean, it's more grayish tone. There's not really a whole lot of other color variations in there. Of course, this is a natural gemstone, so color variations do vary. And then that's the back. So the back is just very nice and smooth. And the front is smooth too, but it is raised. Oh yes, this one is so pretty. I love that jade color. And the last item for this bundle is we have another pendant, 33 by 16 millimeter rhodonite, brass edge teardrop pendant in gold, and this is a $2.79 value. Now that is very pretty. It does have lots of swirls of black and a little bit of beige. Very nice. And of course the back is the same, nice and smooth. Even have a little bit of white specks in there. A very pretty pendant. Okay, you guys, well, that's it for this bundle. I love everything. It's just so pretty and vibrant. It's summery. I mean, it's just a rainbow of colors. It's so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and then we're going to reveal the next bundle. Stay tuned. Okay, beaders, well, let's go ahead and open up this package and see what we got. I'm very excited for this haul. I'm very excited to see the Desert Blooms collection that's in here. And of course, I did get some other items too, so we're going to do that first. And then we'll do the Desert Blooms. Okay, see what we got. Oh, yay. Yay, we got some lovely stuff. Okay, let me get everything organized from this, and then we're going to do this, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so first let me start off with the free gift that they gave me. This is with the, and this is with the second package that I got. So I got some very cute charms. Let's see, they're already made. Very nice little pearl charms. Very appreciative of that. So thank you guys for the free gift. The first item we have is two pieces, 14 millimeter check table cut glass Hawaiian flower bead light violet with pebbled rose. And this is a $2.09 value. And I'm pretty sure I got these in another haul. I don't know. They look maybe, maybe not. I know I got some Hawaiian flowers, maybe not this color, but obviously I like them. So they are very cute little flowers, both the same pattern on both sides. Very pretty light pink. I really like these. And next we have four pieces, 14 by 10 millimeter check pressed glass kiwi oval beads, pink opal with silver shimmer and peridot wash. And this is a $1.99 value. Oh, these are really pretty. Yes, it does have a peridot wash. Look at that very pretty lime green in there. Very shimmery. I mean, in the camera, it looks even more shimmery. That is really pretty. And of course, it is the same design on both sides. I love the color with the nice green and the beautiful luster. That is very pretty. Oh, and this is the item number for this one. So this is for the Hawaiian flowers. And then this is the item number for this. Next we have, and you guys, these are really cute. 2 pieces, 19 by 14 millimeter, check pressed glass turtle beads, a striated almond with Picasso and pebbled olive. And this is a $2.99 value. Look at these little turtles. Aren't these so cute? These are check glass. Very cute. I love the detail. I mean, that pretty green with the beautiful brown. And then that's the back. So it looks like a turtle who flipped over. Very pretty though. Let me get something out so I can show you the whole. Look at those. So cute. I mean, as you guys, you know, if you can't tell, I love my turtles. I really do. Let me get out my little turtle little tray here. You could see the turtles. Isn't that cute? Looks like they're swimming in the ocean. All right. Let's check this out. Let's see. Okay, so the hole is up here. So like that. Very cute. I love these little guys. And next we have 2 pieces, 19 by 14 millimeter check press glass turtle beads, striated almond with Picasso and pebbled beige. Again, so cute. I love these little guys. It is adorable. And these are a $3.29 value. So the other one was $2.99 and this one was $3.29. But again, when you order from Bead Box Bargains, if you are a Bargain Bead Box subscriber, you will get 30% off, which I did, and I saved $20.80 on this whole collection here. So that includes these individual beads and the desert blooms. I believe I did get 20% off that as well. So it is a good deal. Okay, and here's the item number for the turtles. So this is the first one, the green ones is 7843. And this is the brown ones, 7845. Okay, next we have 4 pieces, 14 by 10 millimeter check table cut glass kiwi oval beads, pink opal with Picasso and silver wash. And this is the $2.69 value. So similar to these, but these have silver. Very pretty. I really like the design. Again, same on both sides. So we have a nice silver luster on the inside. I really do like the green ones though. And then this, see, the whole bead has a shimmer. Very pretty. And that looks really pretty with the turtle. And this one looks very pretty with this turtle. That looks cute. Alrighty. And this is the item number for these flowers. And next we have, and you've seen these before, these are 2 gold toggle clasps with the flowers. But I ordered these because I do like them, and then I already used my last one from the last bead haul that I did. So I think these are really pretty. These are my go-to clasp. I really like that they're large and have that very pretty design on them. So this is one of my favorites. So this is the item number, and I ordered 2 sets of these. So it comes with 2 in a set. And this was $1.49. So this is $1.49 for 2 clasps. And then next we have some more clasps, and this is silver. So it's the same thing. Pretty flower pattern on it. And then this one, it comes with 1. So this is, so I ordered 2 of them, but in one order, it just comes with 1. And the Price for this one is 89 cents. So that's, you know, really cheap. And I got 2 of them, like I said. And it is a little hard to get it open for the first time. But once you get it open, there we go. Yes, I really like these clasps. And this is the item number for that. And then next we have 2 pieces, a 21 by 11 millimeter check press glass bird beads, pink opal with gold topaz luster and rose gold wash. And this is $2.59. Now you've seen these before. I got them in my last bead haul, and I actually did just use one of these in a jewelry design, and I will link that down for you so you can see it with the cloisonne pendant. And that was from a bead haul that I previously did. But I ordered some more because I really do like these. And like I said, I used one. So I like to have them on hand because they are very cute little birdies. And the value for that is $2.59. And this is the item number. And we have one more. And this I just really, really love. This is approximate 15-inch strand, 44 by 2 millimeter African turquoise jasper dyed Heshy beads. And this is a $6.89 value. Look at how pretty these are. And it is a nice long strand. Very pretty. African jasper. I love the colors. I think this would be very pretty with the Amazonite, because it definitely has that beautiful teal and jade and black, brown. So pretty. Very nice. Okay, and that's it. So this is the only gemstone that I got in this bundle. So this is everything from the individual items from my second order. Very nice. And of course, I love everything. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, and we're going to come back and reveal the Desert Blooms bundle. I'm very excited. Okay, beaters, so we have 20 items in this Desert Blooms bundle. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we have 1 piece 36 millimeter stainless steel laser cut cactus marquee pendant, and this is a $2.99 value. Oh, that is really pretty. Very nice etching detail in there. I really like that. Very pretty cactus. Next, we have 2 pieces, 16 by 13 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated enameled flower cactus charms. And this is $3.99. Got some really cute cactus charms. Very pretty. Look at the little flower on the top. The flower is kind of like a 3D. That's cute. So that's the front with the little flower. And then the back, you just see the cactus. Very cute little charms. So that's the front and the back. Next we have 2 pieces, 14 by 5 by 11 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated enameled brass cactus charms, $4.99. So we have some more cactus charms, and these are cute too. So that's the back. So we just have the gold, and then the front has the cute cactus detail, and it is raised. Very cute. So we are definitely looking like the desert already. Next we have 4 pieces, 14 by 13 millimeter rectangle with cactus cutout charms, $2.99. Okay, we have some more charms. That is pretty. A cute cactus cutout. I don't know if that helps or not. Very cute, and it's the same detail on both sides. No, that's better. That's cute. Really like these. Already we got three charms to choose from and the pendant. And this is cute. We have another pendant. 58 by 33 millimeter porcelain cactus bead, $3.49. That is very cute. So the hole goes from top to bottom. Really like that. Cute little cactus. Cute. And next we have some gemstones. Next we have 8 millimeter African jade round beads, 7 inches for $7.99. And I'm not even going to pronounce that word there, so we're going to leave it at that. African jade. Very pretty. And this is definitely your bundle if you like green. I will tell you that. There was a whole lot of green, which of course it is a cactus. So, I mean, green and pink is basically the colors you think of, maybe some beige. But this is really pretty. We have some deeper, very like a hunter green, dark, almost black. And then, of course, some lighter swirls. A very pretty bead. See all the different color variations. Very nice. Very green. Next, we have 12 by 14 millimeter synthetic jasper rectangle beads in desert green, 14-inch strand for $6.99. So this is a very pretty desert green. We have the lime green, and then, you know, a little bit of more of a regular, I guess you would say that's just green. That's the, when I think of green, I just think of this color right there. And we have some beige and yellow and some brown. Very pretty beads. Very nice. And next we have 4 millimeter African green Chalcedony faceted beads, a 15-inch strand for $7.99. We have some really pretty faceted beads, really pretty. Look at all the different colors in there. It's a very earthy, definitely a desert vibe. Very pretty with the beige and cream swirl. We have a deeper hunter green, very translucent green, and then this one is a little bit brighter, and then this is like a brown green. Very pretty, and a nice size strand. Love it. Next we have Sea Sediment Jasper Tumbled Nugget Bead, 7.5-inch strand, $4.99 value. You guys know, I've told you before, I love tumbled nugget beads and nice, like chunky kind of beads that look like rock. I love it. And this is a very pretty color. We have some very nice bright lime green. And then look at this pretty green there. That is very pretty with the green and the speckles on the side. Some brown orange. Very pretty. Next we have 4mm glass faceted bicone bead mix in desert green, $2.99. Okay, that's pretty. And it has a, see, a clear coating over them. And then we got almost like a jade green, and then the lime green with a deeper hunter green, and then some clear. You see it better with the turtle, with the blue. Very pretty beads. Nice and small. Very pretty, small bicones. And next we have 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in lime green, 15-inch strand for $3.99. Like I said, if you love green, then this is your bundle. We have a very nice long strand of these lime green crystals, and that is a very pretty color. Nice and bright. And next we have 4x3mm fancy crystal rondelle beads in opaque green, 12-inch strand for $4.99. So now we have a deeper green, very pretty little crystals. Of course, we do have the seed beads in between to make sure that they don't break in the shipping process. And of course, we do have the seed beads in the middle to make sure that they don't break. And it actually does look very nice with these seed beads in between them anyway, because it just separates them and gives them a very pretty look. Really like these. Okay, next we have some more green. 6mm crystal faceted round beads in light green AB 9.5-inch strand for $3.99. So this is light green with a very pretty shimmer because it's faceted and AB. So definitely sparkle. I'm here for the sparkle. Gorgeous sparkle. Got so much green. Next, we have 7x4x5mm cut glass crystal faceted rectangle beads in, guess what? Jade green. 10-inch strand for $3.99. So crystals. Of course, you know, we have that crystal sparkle. And then we do have a little bit of a different shape and a little bit of a different green. Like I said, this is more of what I consider green. When you think of green, this is what I think of. Just a basic green. Very pretty. I know, my little stash here is not looking so neat. Okay, next, oh, we have some pink. 6mm cherry quartz glass, 6mm round beads, 7.5-inch strand for $3.99. So we have some cherry pink, very cute, nice little clear pink, very faint, but it definitely looks like a desert bloom. When I think of a desert bloom, that's what I think of, just a very light shade of pink. Well, it's hard to get anything nice because the strands are kind of wonky. Next, we have 10 pieces, 5.5 by 6mm cherry quartz glass flower beads, $3.99 value. Go ahead and get out my little seashell. Some really cute, very light, very small pink flowers. The hole goes from side to side. Let me find it here. So like that. You see how light that is? Very light. Get 10 of these. And next we have some more little pendants or charms. 14 by 13 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass cactus beads, $4.99. Okay, I stand corrected. These are not charms, these are beads. Very cute. And it's the same on both sides. No, actually, no. See, this side is kind of like hollow. So this is the side that you would display. Let me show you the hole. So the hole goes from top to bottom. Very cute. And next we have 6 pieces, 8 by 10 millimeter lamp work glass bead mix in prickly pear, $4.99. Okay, these are cute. Lamp work glass beads. And look at that pink one, does have a little bit of a design on it. We got prickly pear. So we got the pink spots with the green. Really cute. It has a nice size hole. And then the green ones do have a little bit of a color variation too. It does have like some darker green speckles on it. And next we have 100 pieces, 3 millimeter brass spacer beads for $1.99 value. I'm not going to open this up because these are very small. You've seen these before. They have these in a lot of their bundles. So some nice little gold spacers. And then last we have 22 by 15 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass floral toggle clasp for $2.99. I love that they give you toggle clasp in their bundles. They usually do. I mean, this is a nice thing to have for any kind of a project. And that is very cute. It has, see, the little flower in there. So we have the cactus flower. And then I'm trying to see what that is. I think that's just the design. But then we have the little stick, a little clasp. Oh, and it does have a little flower bloom on the end. That's cute. Very cute. Okay, guys, well, that is everything from the Bead Box Bargains Desert Bloom Bundle. And I really, really like everything. Like I said, if you like green, then this is definitely your bundle. I mean, it looks really cute with the nice pops of pink in there and the really cute charms. I really like the charms and the little pendant. So anyway, well, thank you guys for joining me today. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more boho jewelry DIYs, you know, random, chaotic, because that's what I do. You guys let me know what was your favorite item, whether it be from the Desert Blooms bundle or the whole entire Desert Blooms bundle or something from the bead haul. And of course, let's keep it messy, let's keep it boho, and as always, let's keep beading. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.